All right, what's up, guys? I am back in the studio a little bit shooting some content, and I wanted to give you guys an update just on our Fargo storage product because we've had a lot of interest lately on, I think, storage is the buzzword right now, and specifically luxury storage. I think a lot of people are hitting home with our business model of having a holding part, like more simple storage model that's still luxury storage, and then we also have these storage condos that is a kind of a buy and sell product. We can tell that investors, and I was on phone calls with more bigger funds guys and some family office guys again this week a little bit, and guys, they're repeating almost exactly what they all want to see. They're holding for 3 to 5 years, the highest IRRs they want. You know, these guys are looking to deploy minimum checks in the 5-10 million range. So obviously they're specifically not in our storage products, but they like storage, and once we get to a certain threshold, I'm keeping all these guys as buyers, because I think even if we can roll up 5 to 10 of these luxury storage models, I believe I've talked to them all. They said, yeah, roll them up, sell them to the REITs, sell them to whoever. They will buy them at 4.5 caps. And this is within, I asked them whether is the Midwest bother them, or I think it's just stability. They want to see that they are built, filled, and stabilized, and, a year of financials at the minimum, and they'll buy up these assets all day. So I'm continuing to go and find new deals. We're obviously looking at new development deals within South Dakota, Florida, North Carolina, Texas, and Arizona, but we are also looking to maybe even acquire new deals. So if you have interest, I don't get a lot of feedback to these messages, right? And these are kind of a two-way street. If you don't reply to this, I don't know that you're watching this. And I don't know if you're watching this, maybe what you're looking for specifically. But if I have any $1 million guys listen to this, if you are able to be $1 million investor or get to that area, I need to know that, because we do deals. I'm going to be doing deals within our investor portal, whether they're partnerships on deals, or maybe they're new development deals where you want to get in early and be part of the development partnership. You need to get a hold of me, and you need to reply back to this text message, either this text or an email. Either way, you can get back to us. If you text it that, hey, you're a 1 million, I want to get on the phone with you guys, and I want to talk about how we partner possibly into this scaling model. We're going to roll up every 3 to 5 years. We're going to roll up as many of these storage portfolios, and we're going to roll them into new buyers as we continue to build and develop other units. I can see that these family offices, that's what they want. They want a few-year-old product, something newer, stabilized, and I think we can continue to develop these as well as roll them off every so often. I don't believe we need to hold them forever, but we're going to continue developing, but I want to get in the acquiring phase. So if I got any $1 million check guys listening to this, put a text message down to say 1 million or something to that nature. Or email us the partner, DM us partnership, something to that nature. You can text back partnership, and then we will get on the phone with you and see how we can structure a deal where we both work together on the front end. And maybe we don't bring any LPs into the deal, or very select LPs. We can kind of marry up some guys. So I'm getting a lot of opportunities sent to me, of course, because I'm doing a lot of storage content. I'm working with a lot of different owner operators right now. There's people that want to retire. Let's just say there's some areas that we could buy in right now or build in if we had the right capital guys involved. So again, if you want that opportunity, just put in the thing partnership. And then we will get on a phone call with you, Austin or I, talk about what that looks like for us, and then what markets you're interested in. Of course, we've already gotten specific deals in specific markets. We're open to other markets, but we are always open to going into your market if you invest in one of our deals too, right? Like, I don't want someone just sitting in the sidelines, not willing, if they don't trust our model or they don't trust us. Or if it's something that you need to know more about, you just haven't reached out, like, this is your opportunity. We want to work with our current investors. I bring our current investors the best deals possible. And I offer them the first time that if they want access to it. If they don't, then it goes to the open pool of investors in these. So I want to get the biggest return for all of you. Obviously, these don't come, these real estate deals take money to get them even to the point where we can raise money for them. There's a lot of effort that goes on behind the scenes. Austin and I are out pounding the ground talking to many different investors to get you guys across the path of investing in storage versus multifamily, whatever the case is. But you have an opportunity to partner with us. We always are biased by people who invest our own products. So we have the Fargo storage product, and many people just sit on the sidelines, don't take any action. I don't know how you're going to go earn 5% at the bank or sit in stocks or your 401k portfolio and not invest in a storage deal or something that returns a higher return. A lot of our IRRs on even a 5-year hold are 15 plus. You got cash on cash, as well within those. So, our goal is to return our equity back to the investors as fast as possible. Meaning, if we can return your equity in 3 to 5 years in full and keep and hold the asset and continue to cash flow, that makes a lot of sense. If we're going to get a triple in 3 to 5 years and you invested $100,000 and we roll these up and we get a 4.5 cap, 4 cap, and we send you $300,000, we think you're going to be another investor in the next deal, correct? So I just want to put that out there that we're always biased by people who invest in our projects now. And if you want to partner with us, we would love to partner with you. We need you to reach out and tell us, what amount you're willing to do, or what level that you want to. So again, if $1 million plus guy, message us, partnership. If you want to get in this Fargo storage, I'm telling you, we have one building that's just getting completed this week. We have one that's fully built. I'm hoping to do this. I'll do the next message on site to show you guys, but this is going to fill up real fast. We have people flying in to go and check out this project. So I'm worried that most of you guys that are sitting on the sidelines with $100,000 that want to invest won't have the opportunity. Guys, right now of all times is the best time to invest. If you believe that in the future the rates will decline, I promise you that these assets will scream in value, and especially when we roll these up and we dump them off to a private equity. So, guys, appreciate you this time. And every time, I appreciate you always listening to me and everything I have. Some feedback here would be super appreciative. And we'll be able to deliver a better message and try to get you the products that you guys want to see in these investments. So thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.